Hello everyone. Today we will discuss cancer biology. Cancer biology. First of all, cancer means simple. Cancer means simple uncontrolled cell division. Cancer means uncontrolled cell division. The formation of tumor is called as cancer. Uncontrolled cell division is called as cancer. Just example. So these are the just our body any one place, normally. So they are the tissue and the tissue contain cells. So the cells normally cell divisions, so the 3-4 divisions depend on the tissues, so maybe presenting on the cell divisions. But for example, so in this tissue cells, so these cells are uncontrolled cell division. For example, 2 cells, 4 cells. So these are the uncontrolled cell division. Uncontrolled cell division. So these are the formation of tumors. These area they are formation of tumor. These area formation of tumor. So these are called as cancer. Cancer means uncontrolled cell division. Uncontrolled cell division. So these are causing their formation of tumor. So these are called as cancer. They are called as cancer. Next one. So the study of cancer is called as oncology. The study of cancer is called as oncology. Study of cancer is called as oncology. So the uncontrolled cell division. So the various types of the cancers: breast cancers, brain cancer, blood cancer, lung cancer. So they are depending on the place, the cancer presenting on the brain. So they are the cancer causing from the brain. So they are the brain cancer. Cancer causing from the breast. So they are the breast cancer. The cancer occurring from the lungs. So they are the lung cancer. So the based on the location, the cancer is a various types. First one, next one. So the cancer cells, they are containing 4 silent features. The cancer cells, they are containing 4 silent features. The cancer cells contain 4 silent features. 4 marks, very important question. The 4 silent features of the cancer. Question name: 4 silent features of cancer cells. First one, 4 silent features. First silent feature: lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition means, for example, so these are the tissue. So these tissue contain cells. The tissues contain cells. So they are presenting on the cells. So this tissue contain cells. So these are the normal tissue. So these are the cancer causing tissue. These are the cancer causing tissue. So the normal tissue, these cells growing. So the normal cells, the normal tissue, the cells are the growing. So the ones, the cell. So they are the one cell. So these cells are growing. So they are the connecting to the another cell. So they are contact to the another cell. So these cell also growing. So they are the contact to the another cell or touching to the another cells. So these cells also growing, and so they are the connect to the one cell to another cells. So they are the almost growing. One cell is connected to the another cell. So in this type, the cell growing is stopped. So these are the one cell. These are the another cell. These 2 cells are the growing. So these are the growing in size. So these are also growing in size. Next, so they are going in this size. So they are the ones growing. These 2 cells contact one to the another. So they are stopping to the growing. The growing is stopping. The cell, one cell. These are the one cell. There are 2 cells are the growing. So 2 cells are the contact. The 2 cells are the contact. The cell growing process is stopping. Cell growing process is stopping. So they are the normal cells. So these are the cancer cells. These are the cancer cells. So these are the one cell connecting to the another cell. But there is no stopping the growing. So this cell also growing the size. So these cells also growing the sizes. So these are called as lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition means normal cells, the growing time, the one cell to the another cell, they contact to the growing time, one cell connect to the another cell, so they are stopping to the growing. So they are the lack of the contact inhibition, stopping of the contact inhibition in the normal cell. So in this cancer cells, so the one cell to the another cell, these two cells are the contact, but there is no stopping the growing not stopping. So they are called as lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition. So they are there is no stopping of the growing. So the cell size are the increasing. So they are formation of the tumors. For example, this region. So this region they formation of tumor. So they are called as lack of contact inhibition. Lack of contact inhibition. Next one, lack of cadherins. Lack of cadherins. Cadherins means, so they are the gap junctions. One cell, one tissue connecting to the another tissue through the junctions. So these junctions are called the gap junctions, tight junctions. So in this gap junctions, so these are the lack of the cadherins means, so these cells, they are the cancer cells, their material transfer from the cancer cell to normal cells. So the cancer is spreading to the one cell to another cell. So there is no stopping. The junctions, they are stopping to the liquids or cancer cell affecting fluids do not moving to the another cell. So, but lack of cadherins. So the junctions are the not protection. So this cancer cell affecting liquids, so they are the spread from the one cell to another cell. So they are called as lack of cadherins. Lack of cadherins means, so the cadherins are the missing in cancer cells. Cadherins are the missing in the cancer cells. Hence they can detach and causes the metastasis. Metastasis means the cancer cell is spreading to the another tissues. So they are the lack of cadherins. Next one, third one, they do not undergo apoptosis. They do not undergo apoptosis. Apoptosis means, for example, so they are the normal tissue cells, so they are the cancer tissue cells. So these normal tissue cell, any region, so these cells is the damage. These are the normal tissue cells. So the region, the cell is damaged, won't cell death. The normal tissue cells, any region the cell is damaged, their own cell death. So they are called as apoptosis. So the cell is death. So they are called as apoptosis. So these cancer cells, they do not apoptosis, they do not die. So they are called as lack of apoptosis. Lack of apoptosis. Lack of apoptosis means own cell death. For example, so they are the one cell, normal tissue cell. So this cell, any reason this cell is damaged, the cell is own death. So they are called as apoptosis. But cancer cells do not apoptosis. They do not die in the cancer cells. So they are called as, they do not undergo apoptosis. Next one, angiogenesis. So the angiogenesis means, so the tissues contain a blood vessels. The tissues contain a blood vessels. So these cancer cells, so they are the attracting to the many blood vessels. The cancer cells attracting many blood vessels. So these cells receiving many blood circulation, receiving many blood, many nutrition and many oxygen. So the angiogenesis means the cancer cells attracting to the many blood vessels. So they are receiving more oxygen and more nutrition. So they are the four silent features of the cancer cells. Lack of contact inhibition, lack of cadherins. Next one, they do not undergo apoptosis. Next one, angiogenesis. Angiogenesis means the cells attract, the cancer cells attracting to the blood vessels. Cancer cells attracting to the blood vessels. So the receiving more oxygen and more nutrition. Next one, they do not undergo apoptosis. Apoptosis means normal cells, any reason damaging to the normal cell, won't cell death. But cancer cells do not won't cell death. Next Next one, the intracellular junctions are the absent. Next one, lack of contact in any cell. So the cells, so contact to the one cell to the other cell contact, the cell growing is stopped. But cancer cells do not contact inhibition. So they are more and more growing. So they are the formation of tumor. So they are called as 4 silent features of the cancer cells. Next one, various types of the cancers. Next one, cancers. First one, carcinoma cancer. Carcinoma cancer. Second one, sarcoma cancer. Third one, leukemia cancer. Fourth one, lymphomas cancer. Carcinoma cancer, sarcoma cancer, leukemia cancer, lymphoma cancer, and familial cancers and sporadic cancer. Familial cancer and sporadic cancer. First one, carcinoma cancer. Carcinoma cancer. Carcinoma cancer means the cancer occurring from the epithelial tissue or cells. Cancer is occurring from the epithelial tissue or cells is called as carcinoma cancer. Cancer occurring from the epithelial tissue. Or cells. Epithelial tissue or cells. The cancer occurring from the epithelial tissues or epithelial tissue cells. So they are called as carcinoma cancer. Is called as carcinoma cancer. So they are the most common cancer cells. So they are the most common cancer is the carcinoma cancer. The cancer occurring from the epithelial tissue or cells. They are called as carcinoma cancer. Second one, sarcoma cancer. Second one, sarcoma cancer. Sarcoma cancer means the cancer occurring from the connective tissues. The cancer occurring from the connective tissue. The cancer is occurring from the connective tissue. The cancer occurring from the connective tissues. Connective tissue means cartilage, bone connective tissues, muscles are the connective tissues, blood is connective tissue. So they are the occurring from the connective tissues. Next one, leukemia's cancer. Next one, leukemia's cancer. Leukemia's cancer means, so these are cancer occurring from the bone marrow. The cancer occurring from the bone marrow. So the bone marrow releasing uncontrolled white blood cells, releasing from the uncontrolled WBC, white blood cells. They are releasing from the uncontrolled white blood cells, releasing more blood cells, more white blood cells. They are called as leukemia's cancer. Leukemia's cancer. Next one, lymphoma cancer. Lymphoma cancer. Lymphoma cancer means the cancer is occurring from the lymphatic system. Lymphatic system. Our body contains blood circulatory system and another circulatory system, lymphatic system. So the cancer occurring from the lymphatic system. The cancer occurring from the lymphatic system. So they are the carcinoma cancer means the cancer occurring from the epithelial tissue or cells. The cancer causing from the epithelial tissue or cells. So means carcinoma cancer means these are the cancers of epithelial tissues or epithelial cells. Next one, sarcoma cancer means these are the cancer occurring from the connective tissues. Next one, leukemia cancer means, so they are occurring from the bone marrow. So the bone marrow releasing more white blood cells. So they are called as leukemia cancer. Last one, lymphomas cancer. Lymphomas cancer means, so the cancer occurring from the lymphatic system, lymph vessels, lymph ducts, lymph nodes. They are the lymphatic system. Next one, familial cancer. Familial cancer means these are the genetic cancers like father to son, mother to son, father to daughter, mother to daughter. So they are the, so mother or grandmother, father or grandfather, they are occurring, they are affecting from the cancer. So they are transferred from the one generation to another cell. So they are called as familial cancers. Next one, sporadic cancers. Next one, sporadic cancers. Sporadic cancers means, so there is no hereditary cancers. There is no hereditary cancer. So grandmothers, grandfathers, sons, fathers and mothers, there is no affecting on the cancer, but the next generation affecting to the cancer. So they are called as sporadic cancer. Familial cancer and sporadic cancer. Familial cancer means hereditary cancer, mother to father, mother to daughter, mother to son, father to daughter, father to son, grandfather to grandson, grandmother to grandson. So they are called as hereditary cancers. Sporadic cancer means mother, father or grandmother or grandfather, there is no effect of the cancer, but next generation affecting to the cancer. So they are called as sporadic cancers. 4 marks, very very important questions. 4 silent features of the cancer, 1 4 marks, very very important questions, and types of cancer, another 4 marks, very very important questions.